In this video, we're going to take a look at how to apply credit memos. So let's say you have a subcontract invoice in the system and you wanted to convert that to a subcontract credit memo. You're going to come in, you need to make sure that your vendor document number is not the same as the one that you already have in, because you can't have a duplication. So I'm going to just put CR at the end of that, and I'm going to say I want a credit memo for 800. I'm going to post that, and that creates my subcontract credit memo. And then if I go back into my accounts payable, so if I click on my drop down, go to AP bills, I can see my original subcontract invoice here for my 5,000. And then I created a subcontract credit memo, which pushed over to AP for my negative 800. So to apply that against this invoice, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit pay here on my subcontract invoice, make that bigger. And you can see the credits available, that negative 800, the credit memo that I created is available here to be applied. So I'm just going to select that bill and I'm going to put in the 800. So I'm going to be paying then 4,200. I need to select my bank. Let me do BOFA and pay now. And that's it. That's how you're going to apply the credits. They should appear here in your credits available when you go to your pay bill screen. And that's going to be the same, if it's an adjustment or a negative line item, it's going to appear in your credit section in your AP bills.